ready for the customer over here. So, well, you see? Yes, a lot of stop over here. That's why let's go. Go. Customer. Okay, right now, let's pick up for customer. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Okay, this one. Yeah, for customer over here. Yeah, this stuff for customer. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. 1, 2, 2. Go the inside over here ginger. You see? Go inside. Go inside. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Wow, really? So us today running. Yeah, running today. Oh. Over here ginger. You see? Go inside. Go inside. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Wow, really? So us today running. Yeah, running today. Oh. Okay. Let's go. let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, careful customer, your house. A lot of stop over here. That's good. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay, 43. Okay, let's go. Oh, thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Yeah, I come pick up turn box around 33 minutes, half hour. Yeah, they pay 10 minutes. Oh, $10. Yeah, only 10 box and half hour. You come pick up and to leverage only half hour, all minutes they put together at a half hour, they pay $10, Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, so far, half hour, that